Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you all this flat twist out that I did and how I took a twist out feel in the front of my hair and made it into a cute style for this holiday season. I am going to go ahead and separate my hair into my usual sections. I typically go for 2 in the front and then I'll eventually braid the back section down. And of course I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. This is actually me styling my hair after having that flat twist on the side but mini twist on the other side and in the back. I'll make sure that video is linked in the cards. That hairstyle held up really well and it lasted a full 2 weeks. Only reason why I'm here today is because, honey, the hair needed to be washed. I am using this curl cream by Design Essentials. Design Essentials have been around for quite some time since I've been natural, but I have really been loving their natural hairline. The products are really moisturizing, also easy to apply to the hair, and I like that they don't have a lot of heavy oils and butters in them. I don't like my hair to be super dependent on oils and butters for moisture, and these products allow my hair to feel and look moisturized without oils and butters. So here's the mousse. I am adding the mousse right on top because this really helps the hair set in place. For these flat twists, as you all may know, I am going for medium, okay? I am going for medium because I am not in this place where I like to sit and do hair for hours and hours on end. I am pretty busy, so I try to do things that are quick and easy but also last throughout the week. So as I am applying these flat twists, I am having my part somewhat neat but not super neat because it can make for annoying middle parts, but I'm making sure that I detangle my hair thoroughly, making sure that I twist tightly and that I coil those ends. I went for 2 layers of flat twist in the back. This actually really helps to create additional definition, but it also gives the hair more of a layered curly hairstyle look. And if you were curious, in the first row in the back we have 5, and then in that last row that I just did we have 7. So in the back we have a total of 12 flat twists in the back. Now it is time to move on to the front. In the front I am going to do these flat twists going towards my face. Now, disclaimer, okay, and you all will actually see this as the video goes on. If you are here and you prefer to wear your hair in a curly fro without having the flat twist in the front, do not twist your hair in this direction, okay, because you're probably going to get a lot of frizz like I did. Instead, just do 2 layers of flat twist going away from the part, whether that is a side part or a middle part like I have here, okay? So just do 2 layers with the flat twist going down. I'm actually going to link a video in here that is similar to exactly what I'm talking about so that you all will have a visual, okay? But I did the twist going in this direction because I wanted my hair to actually hang in my face with a bang. However, as you all saw in the thumbnail, that didn't quite work out, okay? But these flat twists, they actually look really neat, nice and tight. I honestly thought I was going to get all the definition that I thought I was going to get. It didn't work out that way, okay? But I show you all this to basically show you that natural hairstyles don't turn out exactly how we want them to all the time. However, we have to be flexible and we have to have some cool styles in our back pocket, okay? So, lesson of the day, have a quick style in your pocket. And make sure you sit up under the dryer to set your hair, okay? That's very important too. So you're just tying up their hair to go to bed, and then I'll catch you in the morning. It is the next morning. I am all greased up and moisturized as I like to be, and I am just removing those scars from my head. My hair is definitely dry, so it is okay to go ahead and move forward with the takedown process. One thing about flat twists, when you take them down, you don't necessarily have to do any extra twisting, coiling, or separating because the hair is going to naturally already be fluffed out. It's already going to be voluminous because of the takedown process and because these are not necessarily curly single strand twist, okay? So I'm just gonna move forward with that process, and as we get to the front of the head, you all will see exactly why I had to create a style in the front of my hair today. So as I got to the front of my head, this is where I noticed that I was beginning to see a lot of frizz, and the curly fro that I imagined in my head, I was like, yep, that is not gonna work out today. However, I still had to go ahead and remove the flat twist, but what I did was I started pulling out the hair that was not as defined and had more frizzes, and I just took that out, and I'm like, we're gonna do something with this because the back of the hair actually looks quite okay to me, and I actually really like it. So what I did was I created a slight diagonal part in the front, separated my hair. I got a little bit of edge booster. You can use whatever edge control you like. I added that to my edges just for a little sleek look for this holiday season. I brushed it into place. You do not have to apply any more edge booster or edge control after you do this on the first day, okay? Trust me, you only need it one time. I am just creating one flat twist going back, and then we are going to secure it into place, and then we'll add some mousse on top just to make sure that the style will be set in place all week. Now we are going to do the exact same thing on the other side of our head. And because these are large sections, just take your time, don't rush. This video is in real time because I like for you all to see how gentle and careful I am being with my hair. And for the final step, I am going in with the mousse def this time, okay? Now this mousse just got like a little bit of extra hold to it that I like, okay? Especially for doing my edges and making sure that I am slaying and laying those things down, okay? So I gave myself a few swoopty swoops, and of course I have to tie my hair down, okay? So I'm gonna tie my hair down and let it dry. And here's the final look. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and your girl cannot wait to see you in the next one. See ya!